We had a very strong first half of 2021. So we have a very strong model lineup. We see strong demand from many markets, US, also China. And we also had a very strong operational performance in the first half of this year, which actually led us to conquer the #1 position in the premium segment with the BMW brand. So if we look further into 2021 and also into 2022, we see demand being strong. You mentioned China. Yes, we see some cooling off maybe of the total market, but we still see strong demand for the premium segment that we are, of course, active in. So we are confident about demand. I just came back from a US trip last week, and we also see a very strong US economy. What, of course, will have some impact is the chip shortage, which we will also experience in the second half of this year and probably well into 2022.
So the chip shortage, in other words, will sort of constrain how much cars you can actually produce?
Correct. So we were quite successful in the first half of the year to limit that impact, but we see actually the chip shortage continuing, and we'll probably see a slightly bigger impact of that in the second half of the year. But that's why for the full year 2021 we are still confident, and we we stick to our guidance of profitable, solid growth for the full year 2021.
How are you tackling the problem of higher commodity prices? Will that be passed through to your end customer, or will you sort of eat it up internally?
Well, we are fighting that, of course, on the sourcing side on the one hand. On the other side, we also see a better price realization for both the BMW brand, for the Mini brand, and that is also helped by the very strong product portfolio that we have with strong demand. So yes, we are able to also command better prices in the market.